Alright, so we got everything here clean. We got the valves numbered where they go. Well, they were numbered. 1, 3, 3, 5, etc. 7. Just kind of double checking here for myself, because I brake cleaned it, everything, wiped everything off good. I'm not saying this is how you should do it, but this is how I'm doing it right now. I mean, this is not the cleanest environment. Just kind of do what you can, and then do your best that you can do where you're at with what you have, and it'll probably be good enough. So yeah, after a couple attempts with this, said the heck with it. I got on lsxacceleration.com, ordered this tool, made in the USA. So you see I got 4 springs in and a whole bunch to go. Put a little grease on my keeper. Just to help hold it in place. And center this bottom piece in between your valve springs. They don't have to be real tight. A little snug. Center your retainer over your valve stem. And I got a valve that dropped down a little bit because I've got to move my wash rag over. When you back this off, you need to watch these keepers. Just make sure they stay where you want them. Look across the top of your valves and make sure all your keepers look the same. experimental 317 heads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next video. Appreciate you.